If you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, renewable energy is probably right up your alley. Let's talk about some of the options that are available for you, the homeowner. First up, let's talk about solar panels, the power of the sun. Essentially, those solar panels, they can be attached to your home, they can be in your yard. It just depends on how many you want and need. The way that solar panels work is that the rays from the sun come down and they hit the panel, and that creates electricity. That electricity can be used to run your entire home or your devices, just depending on the number that you have. Now, a great benefit of solar panels is that they create enough electricity that you could end up with extra. And if that's the case, you can actually sell that extra electricity back to the power grid. We have Mother Nature coming in clutch again with wind turbines. Essentially, those work by using the power of wind to create electricity. You can either plug into a bigger scope where you see all of the wind turbines in these big open fields, or if that's not accessible, you can also add a small wind turbine to your property. Geothermal heat pumps are another great option when it comes to renewable energy. Specifically, these pumps use the heat from the earth to heat and cool your home. You can also use that geothermal energy to heat your water. So that's one less appliance, a water heater, that you're going to need in your home, as well as not needing an entire HVAC system, since the geothermal pump will heat and cool your home. If you're looking for a stable and continuous source of power, hydro is the way to go. Now, essentially, hydro, as you know, is water, and water is constantly flowing. That constant flow creates electricity, which is enough to power your home. And that's what makes it a great continuous energy source. An air source heat pump is another way to keep your home nice and cozy. Essentially, the way the pump works is it pulls out warm air from the outside, even when it's cold. Through the magic of science, essentially, that pump pulls in the air. That air evaporates, and as it evaporates, the pump causes it to heat up, which then disperses the warm air throughout your home. Now that I've explained to you your renewable energy options, you may be looking for other ways to make your home more energy efficient. If that's the case, you can start by the most obvious thing, which is going to be sealing up leaks around your doors and windows. Now you can either reseal around those or opt to buy more energy efficient models. Another thing that you can do is create an air seal in your building envelope with foam insulation. Now, if you want to learn more about foam insulation and how it can make your home more energy efficient, check out the Learning Center on our website. There you're going to find tons of articles, videos, and resources to answer all of your questions about making your home more energy efficient. I'm your building science brainiac, reminding you to bring a little science to every project.